right here. Just approach the microphone and ask your question for any of our Century Pacific Food Incorporated executives or any of our endorsers. Who would like to ask the first question, please?
Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm just wondering what's your favorite celebrity workout? Songs, bands.
You. Medyo mahaba yung playlist eh.
Or your favorite at least?
Iba-iba, depende sa mood din eh. Siyempre, minsan may hip-hop, minsan may mga love songs din. Minsan yung mga classic, mga Jersey Boys, yung mga ganun. So, Frank Sinatra. It just depends. Yeah, really, it depends sa mood mo eh. Kung ano yung makakapag-pop up sa'yo.
Ako siguro would be, siguro yung favorites would be Flume and Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Sa akin, mag-gym yan.
Marshmallow. Ako naman, weirdly enough, I don't have a playlist. I don't listen to music when I work out. We just work out. Well, guys, you know, listen to my coach and just be in pain the whole time.
Thanks guys.
Thank you so much for that question. Playlist when working out. Who wants to ask the next? Go right ahead, ma'am. Please introduce yourself and your affiliation.
Hi, I'm Adrian Chanel from San Thailand. I have a podcast when not being able to ask the question. What are your summer plans and how do you stay fit for the kids?
Well, yun, nag-beach kami, and then yung mga summer plans, pinupuno ko mga races, mga taratang races, as much as possible, yung mga ibang runs every weekend. And yun, the people, they ready for me kasi malapit na po ipapalabas yung bawang soap namin. Tungkol sa triathlon, ikaw lang ang ibigin, so malapit na rin po yun.
Ako naman, enjoying the weather, enjoying the hot weather, being outdoors most of the time. Just swim, biking, and running the whole time. And racing, like we have a race this weekend in Cebu. And just try to be as much as possible outdoors and enjoy the weather.
With Sarah.
Hindi ba?
Ako naman, as you noticed, medyo waiting talaga ako ngayon. So I just came from the beach dahil it's my last vacation before I start working for a very big project ko yung nasisimulan namin ngayong May. So I spent my time also preparing for the role and trying to be a bit dark for the role.
I think it's a lovely tan. You don't have to worry about it, Paolo. It looks good on you. Next question, please. The microphone is... Okay, there she is.
Hey guys, I'm Tanya, a lifestyle blogger. How do you motivate yourself for when you feel like it's tamad, you feel tamad?
Yung mga days na feeling mo tamad, yung mga days na kailangan mo mag-workout eh. Yung mga pinaka-importante, pag nararamdaman mo na ayaw mo na or parang gusto mo ulit na lang ng TV. Kasi even the best or yung pinaka-elite athletes, nangyayari din sa kanila yan. But those are the days na pinaka-importante, yung mga days na kailangan talaga mag-workout. So isipin mo rin yung improvement at yung proseso.
Sa akin naman, yun usually nangyayari sa akin after a long day of taping. You wake up late, tapos parang you feel tired when you wake up. But you know, I think the trick is to just get out of your house or get out of your bed. Magpa-araw ka o parang once mag-start kang pawisan, parang doon ka nagaganahan to exercise or to do your workout.
For myself, I think surrounding yourself with a very positive community, with friends, with a team that motivates you. Because there are really days you wake up in the morning, you don't want to get up, you want to enjoy the bed, and maybe But I always think that if I oversleep, if I'm home there, I'm wasting time. I could improve a little more every day if I stand up and do something. So it's just surrounding yourself with positive people. Thank you.
All right. I believe the next question comes from this lady in front. Go right ahead.
Hi, I'm Rona. My question is that, was there a time that you got insecure with your body and your eyes?
No. Go,
Well, yes. There was a lot of times when I was insecure with my body, but like being fit is very important because I think it confidence comes with it. When you know that you're fit, not really fit doesn't really mean you have six-pack abs or like you're really big or ripped, but you know, fit, healthy, you eat properly, you exercise properly. I think confidence, you boost your confidence through it.
Yeah, I think there was a stage in my life where I was very conscious of how I looked. My legs were skinny, my arms were bigger. But later I got to a point where I got more comfortable with how I looked. It's not because of how you just look, it's how you live your lifestyle, the way you eat, the way you live your life, how much you sleep, how much you eat, how much you exercise. You just feel better, you think better, and you have better emotional around you at the same time.
Yun, tama sa akin, Mateo. Tingin ko hindi na rin nawawala yung insecurities. Kahit gano'n ka ripped ka na or gano'n kadaming abs mo, there's still insecurities at hindi mawawala yun. So, ano ko is yung performance, like the medicine race, it's, am I fit enough for a great performance? So, yun yung motivation.
Hi. Yes. Hi, I'm Jill from Interruption. My question is two-pronged. So my first question is, when summer comes, people put in a conscious effort to be more fit because they're going to the beach, right? So do you have that mentality that when summer, I got to look really great so I can flaunt my body at the beach? And secondly, well, it's summer and it drives you to be fit, it's also a time for a holiday. So, nandiyan yung kahit ka mag-vacation ka, how do you strike balance?
Ako personally, hindi ako naniniwala sa summer bodies. We only have one body. Di ba? Mateo's body. Mateo's body. No, we only have one body. So, ibig sabihin kaya natin alagaan, it doesn't matter if it's December, January, diba, April, March, it doesn't matter. Isa na katawan natin at kailangan alagaan natin ito. So, yun yung lagi ko iniisip.
For me, it's difficult to say because as an actor, you tackle different roles and tackling different roles requires looking different all the time. So sometimes it will require you to be to gain a bit more weight or lose more weight, or you can really lose weight. And I base it from those, But I try not to go overboard yet because there hasn't been a role that requires it, like being obese or being really skinny. But so far, I base it on the roles that.
For me naman, when people ask me how do you start, how do you get so motivated, how do you do this every day, how do you wake up in the morning, I tell them it's only difficult in the start. I look at this as like as a little circle. No? Once you're in this circle, everything will become a lifestyle. You're not going to have to want to do it. You're just going to do it because you're automatically doing it already. So if you just put yourself in the fitness lifestyle, it's just going to automatically come. You're not going to have a hard time getting into it when summer's coming. When summer's coming, oh, it's summer, I have to work out. It's something normal. It's something you do every day that makes it very normal for you.
Thank you.
Speaking of summer, can you mention summer vacation or summer days na paborito nyo and how do you help sa pagiging healthy well-being ninyo? And plus, second question is regarding Century Tuna. Can you mention quality of Century Tuna na associated sa inyo? Anong quality of Century Tuna na nasa inyo?
Yeah, for me, it's by the beach during summer. Siyempre parang mainit, parang sa lumabit sa dagat, makakita ng dagat, parang just feel the breeze of the air sa dagat dahil naman tayo. Pero incorporating essentially to now kasi I only fish and vegetables. Yeah, it's been quite it's been a few months of that. When you're on the go, like dating or you have work, parang yun yung pinakamadaling baunin. Kumbaga you have a can, it's easy to open, it's easy to eat, you can straight up eat it straight from the can. Kumbaga kung gagawin yung dishes na parang ginawa namin tatlo, parang madali gawin. So parang it's something that I always have with me wherever I go.
Right, for me naman, I like going to the beach naman, I like going boating, going to Cebu and renting a bangka. So we always bring food with us. So Century Tuna is one of the things we always have because it's very fresh to eat, it's very easy to eat, and it's always, you feel very nice once you eat it. So it's always part of our family's thing ever since.
siguro, I love taking vacations near the beach eh. Kasi before, syempre, una napakaganda ng beach and then you get away from the city and then before everyone wakes up, gigising ko na ako. Kasi alam mo, pag gising na lahat, mag-enjoy kami, mag-banana boat or kung ano naman. I'll do 2 kilometers swim muna or mga 1.5 kilometers swim. Just to get my, idol ko si Mateo eh. Just to get my exercise in para ma-enjoy ko yung buong day. So, hindi sa akin, sir?
Hindi mo sa inyo na
Sir, ito yung idol ko eh. Ito yung idol ko talaga. Ito. Hindi, sila yung group, actually, kaya din ako napasok sa Toronto kasi sobrang na-inspire ako sa grupo nila Ivan, and nakita ko yung lifestyle, and that's the lifestyle I wanted, so.
But you're very inspiring, setting up your own gym at home, every day wake up. He got up 3:30 in the morning this morning just to train for this.
Bro, say mo yung watch mo. No, but like I said, it's a different lifestyle, and I think the way I can relate myself to Century 2 is quality. Every time you open a can, you know you're gonna get quality out of it. And ako naman po pag may bagong endorsement or have a new project or a new movie or something, I want to give my fans and yung audience quality, the best version of myself. So, yung di ba Mateo?
And I believe we have a question coming from the back. Who's okay, go right ahead.
Hello, Paolo. To Gerald and Georgette also. Have you been in an awkward, sexy situation? Could you please share it with
Kanina
us?
po, nakakata yung mga sa honestly, yun isa sa pinaka-awkward yung moments ko ever, but I'm glad that we did it in front of you guys.
I'm always awkward with big crowds. I don't know why, but it's just something that was always in me. But yeah, bilang kasama ka naman si Mateo and John, national boost yung confidence.
She's right talaga yung expression namin.
Oo, siya talaga.
Bago nag-start yung press ko, alam niyo ba kung saan dyan? Nasa gym sa taas.
Nag-gym muna.
No, but actually, kanina, we sent out, we were briefed about it, we were very excited, but there was a few seconds we were very awkward. We don't know who would take off their clothes first. So Papa was the bravest even first.
There was a quiet moment sa backstage dressing room kanina.
How about
Sir Greg.
Very awkward ones na taking on.
Thank you so much. Okay, can we entertain more? Go right ahead.
I love the games ulit po from People's Journey. Century 2 is known as being a versatile product. So, as also a versatile actor, what do you consider as your top 3 talents?
Aside from eating vegetable tasting vegetable oil, talent. Siguro, one is music. I've always been inspired to do music and make music, but on the background. And other one is filmmaking. It's one of my frustrations, and I think I wouldn't really brag na parang talent ko siya, pero parang gusto kong subukan to make a film someday. Isa pa, ano ba? Hindi ko sumasayo. One is, sige, I'll get back to you with the last one. Think about it.
Ako naman, isip.
Ako sasagot pa.
Ako muna! Swimming, biking, running, ikaw bro?
Hindi, ako, honestly, hindi ko talaga, I never look at myself as a talented person. I just love the hard work to improve yung process. So that's what I love. Kung bakit pumasok ko sa showbiz, wala akong alam tungkol sa business na to. Wala akong alam sa kung kailangan ko sumayaw sa asal sa stage. Ayaw ko yun. Acting, yung Ligway, yung Tagalog, hirap na hirap ako kasi laking Jensen din ako. So, I've never been talented. I just really believe in the process and improvement. Okay lang yan, bro? Amazing!
I believe we have a question coming in from the back.
Yes, I'm Marcy Miranda po, the lab investigator. My question is for Sir Greg. Sir Greg, I believe po, 4 na male talents na po yung nag-represent natin for Century Tuna. Meron ba tayo? Ito, sir.
By the spotlight.
Pwede din po. Pero ako po yung kalaman po ng Diyos. Ayun, sir. Can we expect po na may new female face naman tayo for Century?
Yes, but we can't reveal.
Bakit po? Baka lang pala.
Nag-work out pa eh.
Ako po ba yun?
Ito na susunod. We've had 5, di ba? We transformed Raymond recently. And then we had Luis, and we have of course these 3. Si Noel, pinag-prep pa namin si Noel. And si Jenna next. But yeah, we have campaigns coming that in the interest of competitive the environment that we play in. We don't want to telegraph to our competitors. Maganda sila. The female version of these 3 will probably be coming right after the summer.
So most probably po, patuloy.
We'll see.
You'll just have to wait for the next invite from Century Tuna, yeah?
Then we have
Congratulations. And let's have one last question.
Hello, Mr. Since I already have a marketing, what can we expect in the coming months or meron ba tayo mga new brands or new endorsers na klaseng pasabog na mga nangyayari for Century?
You know, we're so thankful kasi I know when we mount our response, it's always we work very hard to make sure our product quality is good, and we launch very good campaigns and get the best possible partners and endorsers for our brand. So, wala ka din. Hindi siya titigil, tuloy-tuloy lang kami. As mentioned as a group, we won't share kasi secret, but non-stop, we're always at it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your questions. Okay, I believe there's just one last question.
Hello, I'm just from for Ms. Jenna. We're just wondering what are the qualities of Century Tuna that makes it an excellent
we always say that Century Tuna is a good